Hello everyone, welcome to the Chatterley channel.
Hi, Alex. Hello, friends. How are you today, Alex?
I am good, Sarah. How are you?
I am happy. Are you excited for today's lesson?
Yes, I am very excited. What will we talk about today?
Today we will talk about your day.
That's great. We will use easy words.
Yes, we will learn how to talk about what we do every day.
Good idea. Thank you to all our viewers for watching.
Yes, thank you. If you like our lesson, please press like and subscribe.
Are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, I am ready.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Alex.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine too. How was your day?
My day was nice. Thank you for asking.
What did you do today?
I woke up early.
That's good. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, I wanted to start my day early.
What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast at 7.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, it was.
What did you do after breakfast?
I went for a walk in the park.
Do you go for a walk every day?
Not every day, but I try to.
Walking is healthy.
Yes, I agree.
Did you meet anyone in the park?
Yes, I met my friend Lisa.
Did you talk with her?
Yes, we walked together and talked.
That's nice. After walking, I went home.
Was it late?
No, it was still early, around 8.
What did you do then?
I took a shower and got ready for work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Did you go to the office today?
No, I worked from home today.
Is working from home fun?
Sometimes. It is comfortable, but I miss my friends at work.
I understand.
I started work at 9.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails, join meetings, and finish my tasks.
Were you busy today?
Yes, I was very busy.
Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had lunch at 12.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice and chicken.
Sounds delicious.
It was good. Did you take a break after lunch?
Yes, I rested for 30 minutes.
Rest is important.
I agree.
What did you do after your break?
I finished some more work.
When did you finish your work?
I finished work at 5 o'clock.
What did you do after work?
I called my parents.
Did you talk for a long time?
Yes, we talked for 20 minutes.
That's nice. After that, I relaxed and read a book.
What book did you read?
I read a storybook.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked pasta for dinner.
Did you eat alone?
No, my sister ate with me.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, dinner was great.
What did you do after dinner?
I watched TV for a while.
What did you watch?
I watched a comedy show.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
That's good.
After TV, I took a shower again.
Twice in one day?
Yes, I like to be clean before sleeping.
That is nice.
Then I brushed my teeth.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Did you go to bed at 10 today?
Yes, I did.
You had a busy day.
Yes, but it was a good day.
I am happy for you.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome.
How was your day, Sarah?
My day was nice too.
What did you do today?
I woke up at 7.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had cereal and milk.
What did you do after breakfast?
I went to school.
Did you enjoy school?
Yes, it was a good day.
That's great.
Thank you, Alex.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Alex. Good night.
Good night, Sarah.